Yeah, hello, so welcome back to Fisher Hot Boy. Okay, so this brand new tutorial I'm going to show you how to use JavaScript to detect the screen devices. Okay, we want to know if someone is coming to our website, we want to detect the screen devices. If a person is coming with Android or iOS or a tablet or a desktop computer or a large screen like 32 inches screen, you understand. If the user is coming from a large screen, we will redirect the page, the user to a different location. So I'm going to open my text editor, then I'll create a new folder here. I'll name the folder JavaScript detection, screen detection. Then I'll create a folder. So now the folder will be here. This is it. Okay, so now I'm going to create a new file. I'll name it index.php. You understand? Alright, so now you know the first page, the index is the first page to read. So once we load the browser, it's going to read the index.php. You understand? So once it's loaded, now we'll use JavaScript to check if the page is a desktop screen or mobile screen. You understand? All right, so now what we're going to do is all right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give a heading, okay, which is this is the desktop screen. Okay, now this is the heading, this is a desktop screen, and now I'm going to create a new file which I'll name the file the mobile screen. Okay, so the new file will be mobile screen.php. okay, so now here to be alright, so here will be okay. Alright, so now here will be this is the mobile screen. Okay, alright, right now when the page loads, okay, first let me load this page here. Now let's see, take now JavaScript screen detection. All right, so this is it right now. Okay, so now we want to, once we load it and the screen is a device, is a mobile screen. Okay, we want it to load it, redirect us to the mobile screen. Once it's coming, it's a desktop, it will load us to the desktop. I hope you understand. All right, so now I think I have to add the dimensions, the screen dimensions. So I think it should be here. All right, so I'm going to add the dimensions, which is this. Okay, so that we can see very well. All right, so right now we are going to write the JavaScript code here. So this code will check and then see if the screen is a desktop screen or small devices. So I'm going to open a script. Okay, now inside the script I'm going to give an if statement. Okay, so if, okay, so if navigator dot user agent, okay, dot match. So this is a regular expression. You're going to use this regular expression to check if it matches Android, okay, like this. And now after we check this, now we open a new, then now you check again, or we are going to say or if navigator dot user agent, okay, dot match. Okay, so we are going to check for web OS, then /I, okay, and now we check another. So or, so this operator is the or operator, so we are using the or operator, okay, so that's the where the or clause to check if all the devices coming they are the same, okay. So if the or navigator dot user agent dot match, then now you say iPhone, so I'll say iPhone I, okay. All right, so now we are not done. I'll check for another one, which is the iPad. If navigator dot user agent dot match, iPad, then you say I, or navigator, okay, dot user agent dot match, and then we will now check for iPod 2 as well, okay. So iPod, and then I, right, now we check for dot user agent dot BlackBerry, okay, dot I. So we are checking for all devices with JavaScript, okay. So navigator dot user agent dot match, okay. So here will be for Windows Phone, and then the I. So now here we are going to say, so if all these rules, okay, all these if statements, they are all matching, you understand. Now we want to see that Alex, you are on a mobile version, you understand. And now we will redirect the person, so it's going to be window dot location, okay. So it's going to be the mobile version will be here with this screen, so it's going to be here .php. I hope you understand. And then now if the person is on the desktop screen, so you say else, so the else we just return true. All right, so I think we can now test and see if it's working fine, okay. So this is how it works, okay. All right, I'm going to test it and see if it's working fine. All right, okay, so I'm going to test this code now, and then we see if it's working fine. So now we are saying if all this condition matches, okay, they are meaning all the devices coming is on small screen, so it will say you are on the mobile screen, and it will redirect us from this page to the mobile screen. If it's not on a mobile screen, we will just give it true. Okay, so true means it's correct. We are on desktop, you understand? All right, so I'm going to, this is the page right now. Okay, so this is a desktop screen, so nothing will happen now. Or I can give an alert here as well. So you're on desktop version. Okay, so let me refresh now. You can see you're on the desktop version. So now I'm going to change the screen size to mobile, and then I'll refresh again. So I'll go to the more button, then I'll go to more tools, go to the developer tools. Okay, so you come to the developer tools, you can see the phones here. These are the phones here. Okay, so I'm going to take maybe 12 Pro. You understand? Now if I refresh, look at the URL very well. Now I'm in the index. Okay, so if I refresh now, you see you're on the mobile version. Okay, so now it will redirect us to the mobile version. You get it? So now that we are here, we have to write the code to that will redirect us from here. Okay, we will redirect us from here to desktop. When we go to desktop, you understand? All right, so you just copy the same code. Okay, copy the same code, and then now we will bring it on the mobile screen. Okay, and then now here I'll paste this code here. So now when I paste this code here, instead of rewriting this, okay, we will rather bring this one here. It's going to be vibe install. Okay, then this will go here. So you're on mobile. Okay, and here you on desktop. Okay, all right, so it's just the same thing. So if now you're on mobile version, now say true, but it will direct us to the index. Okay, so index.php, you understand? This is how it works. So with this you can actually use it to develop your projects. I don't know the project you'll be working on, but you might need this. Okay, if you are building an application which is friendly mobile and then desktop version, you can use this method to write your code, and it's very simple. So now let me go here and then now refresh. Okay, I'm still on mobile version. Okay, so now I'm going to come to desktop and then now refresh here and see you're on desktop version now. I hope you understand. So this is how it works. This is very simple. I'm going to put the source code in the in my description. Okay, it's on GitHub, so make sure you follow it as well. So if you enjoy the code, just subscribe and then share your comment. Thank you very much.